Get ready to blow your mind bloater in a good way. Think back to those jaw-dropping magic shows that left you wondering if magicians really were defying gravity and pushing scientific limits. We all thought it was pure wizardry, but today we're lifting the curtain and revealing the amazing secrets behind some of magic's most iconic tricks. Stay tuned as we spill the beans on how these incredible illusions have been mystifying audiences for centuries. Buckle up, folks, we're about to debunk one of magic's most mind-blowing illusions. You know that jaw-dropping metamorphosis trick where Jonathan and Charlotte Pendragon seemed to swap places in an instant. The one where he was stuffed into a sack, locked in a chest, and then, poof, she'd jump out and he'd appear on top. Yeah, we've got the secret. It all comes down to some seriously sneaky design. That mysterious chest actually didn't have a back panel, allowing Jonathan to slip out quickly, while his cleverly zipped-in sack made it easy for him to escape when no one was looking. Alright, get ready to untangle the truth behind magic's cleverest cuts. You've probably seen some skilled sleight of hand with ropes, where it seems like a magician effortlessly slices a single piece into two, but then pulls out the intact rope as if nothing happened. Here's the trick: our cunning conjurer already had a smaller loop stashed away in their hand, and that's the one they actually cut while keeping the main rope whole. It's all about misdirection and having the right props ready to deceive your eyes. Let's uncover the secret behind a magic trick that's left you feeling shortchanged. You might have seen this one where a magician places a coin on a glass table, slaps his right hand over it, and then voila. When he lifts up his hand, the coins mysteriously appeared in the other palm. But here's the deal. There wasn't any real magic at play, there were actually two coins involved all along. Now, let's get to the bottom of another mind-bending trick. You know, the one where a magician seemingly shrinks a phone to fit inside a plastic bottle, a real head-scratcher, right? But here's the truth: while the audience is distracted by the magic show, the magician has already palmed the phone and slipped it into their pocket. Meanwhile, the empty bottle was switched out with another one that had been secretly prepared beforehand. So no shrinking or mystifying going on, just a clever swap. Time to reveal another magic secret. You've witnessed the magician effortlessly slipping a phone into a seemingly ordinary plastic bottle. It looks like pure sorcery, right? But here's the lowdown before the show. Our magician friend prepared the bottle with a sneaky slit, using a tiny blade hidden in their finger stall. When the time was right, they snuckily passed the phone through that secret opening, and voila. Instant magic. This one's not rocket science. Just good old-fashioned prep and some clever sleight of hand. Get ready to have your mind blown. You've seen those incredible magic shows where a dollar bill seems to defy gravity by tearing itself in two, only to reappear completely intact. It's like a miracle, right? Well, the secret behind David Copperfield's jaw-dropping trick lies not in bending reality, but rather in some seriously clever engineering. The magician uses a special pencil that looks innocent on the outside, but has a hidden twist. It's been cut diagonally and connected with powerful magnets. So when the folded dollar passes through what appears to be a solid object, the magnets let the bill slip right through, leaving it unscathed. Mind blown. Alright, let's dive into magic mystery number 5. You've probably seen this one. A magician places a cup on a table, covers it with a handkerchief, and voila, the cup disappears right before our eyes. We've all been left wondering how they pulled off that mind-bending move, until now. It turns out the secret to this illusion lies in some sneaky sewing skills. That seemingly ordinary handkerchief actually has a hidden wire sewn into it, keeping it perfectly in place and creating an unshakable illusion, even when the cup is nowhere to be found. So next time you're at a magic show, remember, sometimes the secret's right under your nose. Now, let's uncover the magic behind hand through a glass. You've probably watched in awe as a magician effortlessly places his hand through what appears to be an impenetrable glass cabinet, only to pull out a bracelet without breaking a sweat or scratching the glass. But here's the thing: there's more to this illusion than meets the eye, and it's not actually magic. A clever combination of misdirection and some slick tech is at play. You see, there's a hidden hole in that cabinet, one that you didn't catch because the glass surface is cleverly sliding out of the way as our magician makes his move. So next time you're amazed by this classic trick, remember, it's all about the artful blend of illusion and technology. Get ready to be mind blown by the Zigzag Girl. This jaw-dropping illusion has left audiences stunned for decades, and it's time to lift the veil on its secret. So, what makes this magic trick so mesmerizing? Well, let's just say it's not about levitation or supernatural powers, but rather about a genius use of clever misdirection and some seriously slick engineering. The key to this illusion lies in a hidden system controlled by the magician's feet, which makes the platform beneath our Zigzag Girl move in perfect sync with her body. As she glides across this moving surface, It creates an optical illusion that will leave you wondering how on earth they pulled off such a mind-bending feat. Let's dive into the magic of chain through the neck. This classic illusion will have you thinking it's impossible. But trust us, there's no hocus pocus here. So how does it work? Well, two volunteers from the audience are invited on stage to lend a hand. Or rather, both hands as they grasp the ends of an iron chain that's literally wrapped around the magician's neck. You'd expect the weight of that chain to be crushing, but instead, it magically slips off like a charm. The secret lies in a clever system of hidden levers and release mechanisms, expertly triggered by the magician's hands and arms. By understanding how these components work together in harmony, you'll see that this mind-bending illusion isn't about breaking physical laws. It's just pure showmanship and some seriously slick sleight of hand. Get ready to unravel one of magic's greatest secrets with sword stabbing. You might have seen this jaw-dropping stunt on Britain's Got Talent, but don't worry, we're about to spill the beans. And it's way less terrifying than you think. So, what looks like a heart-stopping sword plunge is actually just some seriously slick sleight of hand and a dash of misdirection. The key, a cleverly designed box with secret compartments and an expertly timed distraction. When the magician makes his move, he's not really stabbing anything. It's all part of the show. Hold your breath because this one's a real showstopper. In Britain's Got Talent, James Moore stunned audiences by seemingly having assistants place him on the tip of a sword. And it looked like the blade was piercing right through his body. But here's the magic part, he wasn't just lucky, he had a team behind the scenes. The secret to this illusion, a cleverly designed harness under his clothes, featuring a hidden hole where the sword could safely fit without harming him. And guess what? On his chest, there was another, sharper harness that added to the mind-blowing effect, making it seem like the sword really did go through him. We've just blown your mind with a jaw-dropping magic trick reveal. But the real magic happens when you guys share your reactions with us. So, which secret behind famous illusions caught you off guard? Let's hear about it in the comments below. Don't miss out on more edutainment fun by subscribing to our channel now. And while you're here, explore our other videos packed with fascinating facts and mind-bending reveals. We'd love your feedback. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and let's keep the conversation going across Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for joining us on this mind-bending adventure. If you want more surprises, theories, and fun facts, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of